So let's talk about Dogecoin. A Dogecoin price prediction is the worst finally over. We've had a period now of about 3 to 4 weeks of quite a bit of volatility leading up to the Bitcoin halving event. We're past that. We're about 48 hours plus past that Bitcoin halving event. And so I thought this was a good time to talk about this, to talk about a Dogecoin price prediction and talk about, is the worst over? What do we see from here? Where do we go from here? So if you're interested, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button below, and let's talk about this real quick. Before I do that, I want to talk to you about Margex. Link in the description below. Go check it out. No KYC, no VPN. Fantastic exchange. If you use my referral link below, you get a 20% referral bonus. And once you create a free account right here, you can get in and you can do copy trading where you can follow along, and just in one click, you can follow some of these lines. Look, this particular trader, little trade, 2,000% up. Leader right here, leader 1,300% up. You can just follow along with what they're doing. So links in the description below. You can try it out. You get a 20% referral bonus, and you get this for free. It's copy trading, and they're doing some incredible things there. Okay. So let's talk about Dogecoin price prediction. All right. So we know what's happened right now. The current price of Dogecoin, as you can see, is, just shy of 16 cents. They're up 0.62, 7-day up 4.5, 1 month up 6+. Again, goes back to the narrative of what I said at the top of the video, right? We were in this period of volatility. Now we're looking at what's going to happen to Dogecoin, to all the major blue chips and everything else as we are now rolling along. And so from a price prediction standpoint, we've got a couple of interesting things playing out. Now, there's two real stories here. So I want to share with you the one that they talk about this article, and the fact that Dogecoin is presenting some technical analysis indicators that show that it could be getting ready for a breakout, that it could be looking for a potential rally of, say, 315% and going up to that 65-cent mark. Now, it is presenting some indicators in that capacity. Okay. Now, that's possible. But I also want to remind you of kind of the more macro level, the more macro analysis scenario that says, hey, look, we've got Bitcoin. We've got 4 previous Bitcoin halving cycles going back 16 plus years. All right. And all of the Bitcoin halving cycles repeat themselves. And what happens is that after the Bitcoin halving, which ours just happened 2-3 days ago, right? After that, we have this pretty long period of slight retrace consolidation. And that means that everything's going to go sideways. Nothing's really going to happen. And it's just historically based in fact. Don't believe me? Go look. There's tons of charts out there. This is what happens. Yes, I'm talking about Bitcoin, and this is a Dogecoin video, but that's the point. You need to kind of pull back and look at the macro, look at what's going to happen in the macro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's going to go on with them. And so I think there's possibility for a run up for Dogecoin, but I think the more likely Dogecoin price prediction is that we're going to stay roughly in this same area that we are now currently in, where, Dogecoin's at this, 16 cents. So we could see, I don't think we see a lot of downside risk. We could see maybe 12, 13 cents downside risk, and maybe upside potential might get up to that 20-cent range, at least in these periods, the next 4 or 5 months. Yes, you heard me correct. 4 or 5 months leading into the true awesome, great time. Got to come up with a better word than that. About September, October is historically when we see Bitcoin take off and run after its halving event. If you go back and look at all those previous Bitcoin halving cycles, so that's going to impact Dogecoin, right? That's going to impact when Dogecoin and other major assets like Shiba Inu or Cardano or Polygon or Polkadot, what have you, right? When they're going to go too. Okay. So we're going to probably have to wait 4 or 5-ish months until that September, October timeframe, when we have that historical analysis, that historical based fact of looking at history and when Bitcoin runs and when the altcoins run alongside it. Okay. So you may have been looking for like, okay, we're going to go up 500% for Dogecoin in the next, 2 weeks. That's not reality. That's not what's going to happen. All right. So that's my goal, is to kind of tell you the reality of where we're at from a price prediction and kind of what we're seeing. Okay. So before I let you go, I need to make you aware. Remember, I told you about that Margex thing. Check it out. Links in the description below. Also, if you're interested, my trading indicator links are down there as well. Check that out. It gives you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell. You see this red momentum down, this green momentum up. These are buy and sell alerts. And you can see for Dogecoin, we're currently in a sell mode, and I'm waiting for a buy alert, which is basically that right there, a green momentum up box to come into play over here. So the software hasn't said it's the right time to buy yet. Okay. So if you're interested, links in the description below. You can really take it for a 30-day test drive because there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee that protects you. So you can try it. And you can, if you don't like it, you get that 30-day refund policy. And there's a discount code down there as well that makes the software $1 a day. So take it for a test spin. You have nothing to lose, and it takes those blinders off, gives you better insight knowing when to buy, but more importantly, when to sell, and take those profits off the table. And in a consolidated market, kind of in a short-term trading market, it's a way that you can also take advantage of short-term opportunities to get 5, 10, 15, 20%, just kind of buying, get an alert, boom, wait for it to go up 15, 20%, sell, and so forth. Okay. So that's kind of where we're going to be in the next 3 or 4 months. So if you're looking to profit off this market as we roll along for the next 3 or 4 months, you might want to just at least take the software for a test spin. And again, you got that 30-day, no questions asked. And remember, you can also then use it to get alerts and then go over to Margex, links in the description below, to go do some trading as well. They have leverage. They have a bunch of stuff, cool stuff over on Margex. So I'll see you. Go make some money. Have a good one. Take care.